back to my channel. I'm back with a brand new video. I'm just gonna put this on and end this video. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to comment down below, and yeah. I put my slime in like a deodorant like container. I don't know why. Because I can actually. Because I want to. So this one's a blue one because I have a purple one. This one's a blue. This one does your hands blue. Okay, because it's stretchy. It's fun. Can I bubbles with it? I mean, if I take out the whole thing, but I'm not going to. And look at how stretchy that is. You see that? Look how stretchy that is. This video is probably just maybe like 1 minute long. I don't know. Comment down below video ideas. It's already 1 minute, but that's okay. So satisfying. So I have like serious stuff to do right now, but I feel serious stuff today. I don't, to be honest, not really. I don't know. Well, I'm not really posting a lot today because I'm really like taking care of someone, which I'm actually really so happy about because not about the fact that I can't record, but about the fact that I'm taking care of someone because that someone is my favorite person. Well, not my favorite, but yeah. Okay, so guys, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to go check out my other channel for more videos, challenges, and pranks. And well, I haven't done a prank on there, but that's okay. Videos explaining and just yeah. Bye guys. Hope you have a stay on my other channel. Hope you have a good day today, tomorrow, and every day. And you guys haven't seen my face in this video. I don't think so, but how did you guys? I don't think so. I don't think so. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to comment below, blow up my comments, and yeah. Bye.